Hey guys, as always, thanks for tuning in. So I got a couple artwork updates for Pixelcade LCD users, specifically light gun games and virtual pinball. So let me show you how to browse the new artwork. So if you're on version 5 of the Pixelcade software on Windows, you can go over here, click on this guy, and then click on Pixelcade Companion and Settings. And that will open up the Pixelcade Companion web UI. Go over here and click Browse Images, and I'll show you how to get to the new artwork. Now, if you happen to be on a Raspberry Pi, you don't have that icon like you do for Windows, but instead just type in the IP address or the host name of your Raspberry Pi right here. And that'll take you to this same web-based UI. All right, so let's first look at gun games, light gun games. So just finished this. Lots of new artwork, so you can just browse around and see all the new artwork here. All these are done pixel by pixel. It's quite time consuming, but I think the results are pretty good. You notice some of these are animated like this. So if you happen to have the Pixelcade LED art pack, just do a refresh and you'll get the latest ones for the ones that are animated. So those are included. If you already have the LED art pack, just in fact, I'll show you how to do that right now. So go to Home, go to Manage Artwork, and then Art Pack License. Just put in your license here, and then I'll just do it. And then just go like this, and that'll basically just re-download your art pack. So while that's downloading, you can actually click on the little command line window, and if you want to watch it, you can see the progress there. So that's how you do the art pack. And while we're at it, so if you want to get the latest artwork, which is what I'm showing you right now, then you need to do an art pack artwork update. This is free. So the art pack is a paid art pack. The artwork is 100% free. So what you want to do, you can go here from Companion, but there's a bug right now. This doesn't work on some users' computers, so I recommend people don't actually go here, but instead just go over. Let's go back to the Pixelcade folder. Just go here and find the Pixelcade Artwork Updater icon, and then you'll see something like this. Just hit Start, and that'll run the updater. So I'll let that run in the background. Okay, so that's how you get the latest artwork. If you're on a Raspberry Pi, there's a command line that will do that for you. That I'll just show that to you real quick. So if you go to pixelcade.org, go to download. Let's say you're on Batocera, for example. Just go to the Batocera page, and then it's just a matter of rerunning this installer command, and that will get you the latest artwork if you're on a Pi. Okay, so let's go back here. So what I wanted to show you was just kind of browse around, show you some of the latest artwork. So let's go back to those gun games, light gun games. All right, so again, some of them are animated. Those come with the art pack. But yeah, just browse around. You'll one thing to note is that your particular distribution may have different ROM names or file naming convention. So if your front end doesn't show the artwork, you may have to do some file renaming. And I'll put a link to a tutorial on how to do that. It's pretty simple. But this is how you can kind of browse and see what's there. So you can see there's quite a bit of artwork. You'll notice that some of them have multiples. That's because there's different versions of the ROM. So that's why there's multiple ones here like these. But yeah, so let's scroll down to the bottom. Just kind of look at some of the artwork here. So that was the light gun games. So you can explore these on your own, as you can see, quite a few. And then also we just redid a bunch for virtual pinball. So if I go down to virtual pinball, you can start with visual pinball. And there's quite a bit here. And as you can see, a lot of these are redone, pixel perfect. There's a few that aren't. But I would say a good 90% of these are redone pixel perfect. So some good quality artwork there as well. So definitely when you get a chance, you're going to want to run the artwork updater, and that will get you the artwork, both the updated artwork for Visual Pinball as well as like on games. As always, thanks for tuning in. I hope that was helpful. Would love any comments. If you see any of your favorites that are missing artwork, or the artwork is not totally clean, let me know. Always happy to take on one-off requests and do this for you guys. Thanks again.